Nice to meet you once again. For this tutorial, we have selected to show you the importance and working of Select tool. This is Select tool with shape like your mouse cursor, default one, better to mention, and having black color. This is used to select a model or a single entity or a group of entities or anything or everything. To move, to edit, to delete, or for whatever purpose, we generally need to select the entity first. As you can see, we have already drawn a cuboid and now we will perform selection operation on it by using different methods. Basically, there are two ways of selecting a group of entities. First is left drag and second is right drag. While performing left drag operation, you can notice that the box created while dragging is having black solid border. This indicates that you are using left drag operation. On the other hand, the box created while using right drag operation will be having black dashed border, solid border, dashed border. Okay, fine, solid border, dashed border. But what's the difference between the functionality of these two operations? Well, have a look. First, I am using left drag operation on this cuboid. Nothing got selected. Absolutely nothing. This is because we are not following the rules of left drag properly. Left drag says that to select anything, you need to enclose that completely into the selection area. Here we are not enclosing any entity completely into the selection area, whether it's an edge or a face. Let me extend my selection so that it can enclose the upper edge completely, leaving all other entities. And here we go, upper edge of the cuboid gets selected. Quite simple, isn't it? Now let us see how right drag works. It actually selects everything which the selection area touches. By touch, I completely mean touch. Here I am using right drag over this corner, and you can easily say that the selection area is touching 3 edges and 2 faces. I am talking about these 3 edges and these 2 faces. But you might be wrong. How? Watch. Here as expected, these 3 edges and these 2 faces got selected. But there are actually 3 faces get selected. One is behind and away from our side. This is the third face. It actually created a complication in our learning, because how can we know that what we are selecting is actually what we need? A simple answer is by experience or by mistakes, or by the experience of mistakes, so that you stop doing mistakes at all. Well, have a look here. In my point of view, I am selecting nothing. Left drag, remember? But actually, I have selected the hidden back edge. You can see by orbiting your model. It's very easy to track in a simple geometry like this, but in complicated models, orbiting leads no benefit at all. And there we use a face style known as X-ray. You already know where X-ray is. View, face style, X-ray. Now you can easily see our selected edge. Blue color denotes selection for edges. This way you come across one of the use of X-ray face style. Interesting, huh? Let's switch our view back to the shaded with texture face style only. There were the 2 ways of selection by dragging. You can also select an entity or a group or component just by clicking over them. Like as I am selecting this edge. To select a face, click over it. To select multiple entities like 2 edges or 2 faces or an edge and a face, we can keep pressing the control key and then click on multiple entities for selecting them. You can use shift key in place of control key also. Basically, the difference lies between the selecting and deselecting behavior of the two. Control key only selects the entity. I am currently holding the control key on my keyboard and you can see a plus sign with my cursor. It indicates that it supports addition only, which means that you can't deselect an already selected entity by clicking over it again. I am clicking over this face, but it is not deselecting. On the other hand, when I hold shift button along with a plus sign, you can see a minus sign also. It indicates that you can select or deselect at alternative clicks. I can select or deselect this face by alternative clicks. This is the end of this video and the end of select tool also. One thing I have to say is that if you are running too fast, then you should slow down now. You have 30 days to complete this course. So watch one video per day and spend your time in practicing. In case of problem, I am with you always. So put your worries aside and meet me in the next video. Good day.